Here are 21 ways to incorporate brain-boosting drinks into your diet and lifestyle. Number 1, water. Stay well hydrated to support brain function. Dehydration can impair cognitive abilities. Number 2, green tea. Rich in antioxidants and a bit of caffeine, green tea can enhance cognitive function and calm the mind. Number 3, black tea. This tea contains antioxidants and a moderate amount of caffeine, improving alertness and focus. Number 4, coffee. In moderation, it boosts alertness and concentration due to caffeine content. It also contains antioxidants. Number 5, herbal teas. Some herbal teas, like rosemary or sage tea, are believed to have cognitive enhancing properties. Number 6, fruit and vegetable juices. Opt for natural juices high in brain-boosting antioxidants like blueberry or pomegranate juice. Number 7, turmeric milk. Turmeric's curcumin has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and combining it with milk provides a soothing, brain-healthy drink. Number 8, cocoa or dark chocolate. Rich in flavonoids, it provides blood flow to the brain and enhances cognitive function. Number 9, smoothies. Nutrient-rich smoothies made with fruits, vegetables, yogurt, and brain-boosting seeds like chia or flax seeds provide a variety of nutrients. Number 10, bone broth. Bone broth is rich in amino acids and compounds that can benefit brain health and overall well-being. Number 11, matcha. Matcha is a concentrated form of green tea. It provides antioxidants and caffeine, boosting alertness and concentration. Number 12, coconut water. Coconut water is a source of hydration and essential electrolytes for proper brain function. Number 13, mental focus supplements. Drinks containing nootropics or adaptogens may enhance mental focus. Consult a healthcare provider before using these supplements. Number 14, homemade brain-boosting elixirs. Create your concoctions using brain-healthy ingredients like ginger, honey, and lemon in hot water. Number 15, omega-3 fatty acid drinks. Incorporate flaxseed oil or fish oil into smoothies or shakes for essential brain-boosting omega-3s. Number 16, infused water. Add brain-boosting ingredients like cucumber, mint, or berries to your water for refreshing and nutritious hydration. Number 17, probiotic drinks. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to better brain health, so include probiotic-rich drinks. Number 18, lemon water. Hydration with a splash of lemon can provide vitamin C and antioxidants for brain health. Number 19, cherry juice. Tart cherry juice is rich in antioxidants and may support better sleep, which is essential for cognitive function. Number 20, nutrient-dense herbal blends. Explore herbal teas with brain-boosting herbs like ashwagandha and ginkgo. 21, hydration with electrolytes. Drinks with added electrolyte like sports drinks or coconut water can help proper brain function. Drinking beverages that support brain health is important because the brain is a vital organ that controls most of the body's function and cognitive abilities. Here's why it's beneficial to consume drinks that are good for the brain. Certain drinks rich in antioxidants and nutrients, can enhance cognitive function, including memory, focus, and problem-solving abilities. Many brain-boosting drinks contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can protect brain cells and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Proper hydration and the consumption of certain nutrients can have a positive impact on mood and mental health. A well-hydrated brain is better equipped to handle stress and maintain emotional balance. Drinks with moderate caffeine content, like tea and coffee, can improve alertness, concentration, and mental performance. Some drinks, like cocoa and dark chocolate, can increase blood flow to the brain, which is essential to optimal cognitive function. Certain ingredients in brain-boosting drinks can help balance neurotransmitters, which play a crucial role in mood and mental health. Drinking warm and soothing beverages can promote relaxation and reduce stress, benefiting overall brain health. Proper hydration is essential for the brain to function optimally. Even mild dehydration can impair cognitive function. Some compounds in brain-boosting drinks can stimulate the growth of new brain cells, a process known as neurogenesis. Drinks like cherry juice can improve sleep quality, allowing the brain to rest and recover more effectively. Consuming brain-boosting drinks can be a preventative measure to reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases. Brain-boosting drinks often contain antioxidants that improve overall well-being and reduce the risk of chronic diseases, indirectly supporting brain health. As people age, supporting brain health becomes increasingly important. Brain-boosting drinks can provide nutrients and compounds that help the brain adapt to the natural aging process. Remember that while specific drinks can benefit brain health, they should be a part of a well-rounded diet and lifestyle. Regular physical activity, stress management, quality sleep, and a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains and lean proteins are crucial for maintaining cognitive function and overall well-being. Please note that the advice and tips provided in this video are intended for general information purposes only. They should not be taken as professional medical advice or used as a substitute for professional health care. Although these practices can lead to improved well-being, results can vary from person to person. Always consult with a healthcare provider before making any major changes to your diet or eating habits. Individual health needs and restrictions should always be taken into account. For more information on healthy eating, subscribe and like our channel. Live long after 50.